Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find lion's mane mushrooms. These fascinating fungi are not only striking in appearance, but also a delicious and sought-after edible. Knowing where and when to look significantly increases your chances of a successful forage. We'll cover their preferred habitats, key identification features, and best practices for harvesting. Get ready to discover the secrets to locating this incredible natural treasure in the wild. Lion's mane mushrooms typically grow on dead or dying hardwood trees. You'll often find them on oak, maple, or beech trees, either on fallen logs, stumps, or even high up on standing dead trees. These fungi prefer humid, temperate forest environments, so focus your search in areas with plenty of moisture and decaying wood. Look carefully, as they can sometimes be partially hidden by foliage or other growth. Identifying lion's mane is relatively straightforward due to its unique appearance. It looks like a white, shaggy pom-pom or a cluster of icicles. The most distinctive feature is its cascading spines, which can be 1 to 6 centimeters long. Unlike many other mushrooms, it doesn't have a traditional cap and stem. This makes it quite easy to distinguish from other fungi, reducing the risk of misidentification. When harvesting lion's mane, use a sharp knife to cut it cleanly from the tree, leaving a small portion attached to encourage regrowth. Only collect healthy, firm specimens. Avoid any that appear soft, discolored, or insect-ridden. Once harvested, you can store them in a paper bag in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer storage, they can be sliced and dehydrated or sautéed and frozen. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.